This is what we got now. It's something you don't hear too often. And Hot Mike's gonna take it. That was hot stuff. That is hot stuff, for sure. He brought us that deep cut from Elvis Costello and the Attractions.